I saw. I was scared I wouldn't pick the right one. Luckily, I did. It was the most refreshing one of them all. Sun Country wine cooler. You see, Sun Country is a blend of premium white wine and real fruit juice. That's what gives it its great taste. Sun Country, say, give me the real juice cooler. If you don't say Sun Country, you'd better sleep with your lights on.
There's someone special I want to look good for.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is an emergency alert broadcast from the United States White House. 54 minutes ago, millions of American citizens have reported hearing trumpets and weeping from the skies before swiftly disappearing. We have learned that almost all of the victims were registered as having religious beliefs that aligned with Christianity. Multiple scholars believe this to be the sign of a Christian event known as the Rapture, where Christians will return to heaven to meet God. The president has disappeared. The current leader is Vice President Dick Cheney. The president is urging Christian citizens to walk out into the grass and to rejoin God.
They are not here to help us.